Hey guys, Alfredo here from Alfredo's Auto Glass, working on this Ford Explorer. I believe it's from 2011 to 2018. I'm not sure about 19, but at least those years in between. So doing the rear right door window. Remove the little cover inside of the door latch, 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt right there, two 7mm bolts right here, and this one is the one that you applied open away from the body. It has these white clips. They're kind of hard, so what I did, I started from here. I lifted up a little bit from here, and it gave me enough space to get my hand in there and start removing them. This actually just push the clip here and it comes off the door panel. Remove this plastic cover, but this is the important part, how to get the window in there on this one. So for your first time, just protect here with tape. Once you get the hang of it, you won't scratch it, but if you've never done it before, I highly recommend you protecting the paint right here. And anyways, okay, so I get the window. Well, first you have to remove the continuation of the channel here. Let's see where it is. It's right there. So two 10mm bolts, one right here and another one right there. And then after you remove that, this slides down off the upper channel of the glass. Once you remove that, you're going to put the regulator all the way down. Of course, you want to vacuum first. You never want to vacuum once the glass is already there. So clean your channels very well. I use my long hook tool. You can use an antenna. I just love that one because of the handle. You're able to grab it. So I like that better than the antenna. When you're vacuuming the glass underneath, very important, remove the little caps. And I always use a blower combination with a vacuum. So I'll be blowing everything off, and then little by little just tap here, because you can't get the nozzle down here because it's so thin. Reduce space, you can't vacuum the glass very easy. So on this one, you like the Chevys, you have to blow it out. Okay, so going back how to put the window in. So you remove that, slide it out. Now you're gonna have the window here. You're gonna put the corner of the bottom left corner of the glass into the channel here, and then kind of like align it. And then on this side, since you remove the bolt, you're gonna grab the glass with your left hand here, and then with your right hand, you're going to put your hand through here, and then you're going to push with your thumb right here, and that will give you enough clearance to slide the window down. And you're going to slide it all the way down past the bracket where the window slides into. Go behind it and slide it all the way down, and then fit it into the into the channel here. Make sure it's on both channels on both sides. You kind of have to like move the glass a little bit and then push this a little bit that way, and slide the window up, and then it slides back into the channel. And then when you this window has the one that has the hole, and then it has a little clip. Make sure that that clip snaps into the hole. Very important. Don't force it, and clean the glass from there. And that's it, guys. There's no glass. Like I said, I use a blower and a vacuum and got all the glass out from the bottom. And don't forget to put the guide back, the channel back on, and slide it. Make sure it slides behind the channel. Okay, so that's it for the Ford Explorer. Thanks for watching. All right, I forgot to mention a quick tip, very important important tip. So before you slide the whole channel down, get a paper towel and go in here and clean the channel all the way down. You might remove some of the grease, which is okay because you're gonna reapply the grease. That would make it sound like this, like there's no glass at all nice and smooth, just like factory. That way you don't have any, and if you do, it's gonna be very, very minor, but sometimes the glass gets stuck in the grease and it's very loud. So run it a couple of times up and down. All right, thank you. Thanks for watching. Alfredo from Alfredo's Auto Glass. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Thank you.